It's been about 1 year since I've been using my Huepar 360-degree laser level. Well, it's time to do my 1-year review. I'm going to bring camera in up close. You can check this out. On this side right here, you have your on-off switch. It's a pretty big switch right here. You can easily move it with your thumb or your finger. It's basically a lock, unlock, or you can call it on-off. All you have to do is slide it over, and as long as this is fairly level, it's going to level itself out. Now on this side, you have the plumb bob dot. So you'll see this red dot right here. It's going to shoot a dot to the ceiling and to the floor, and this also comes in very handy. On this side of the laser level, it doesn't have any buttons or features. It just kind of talks about what it is and what it can do. On this side, you can shut the 360 level off and then just keep the crosshairs if you want. This button right here is if you're using this outdoor and you have the outdoor tool, you're going to want to push that button. The original tripod I had was pretty cheap and flimsy, and I will recommend you get a better tripod. So I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below on the actual laser level and the tripod that will give you good quality results and last you a long time. Now, although this is a self-leveling level, you have to be fairly level to begin with. So I've purposely made it a little bit crooked. As you can see it flashing, that means it's not close enough to being level to give you a good accurate reading. Now, I've used this level on just about everything. I've used the plumb bob feature. I've used it for just hanging pictures. I've used it for digging out a crawl space, which is what I'm doing right now. I've used it for leveling floors. I've used it for putting in floor joists. I've used it just to give me a line in a room to take a couple measurements on putting in windows and making sure everything is level. It comes in extremely handy. If this thing broke today, I would go right back out and buy the exact same one off Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.